Hello, everyone. Let's wait for a couple of seconds for the rest of the attendees to join in. Just bear with us. Okay, hello and good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for joining our webinar for today. My name is Ivory, and I will be your moderator for today's presentation. Just to let you know, at the end of the presentation, we will take some of your questions. You may want to enter them into the question box. Just make sure that they are detailed and specific, just in case it's a question coming from something that we have to go over at the start of the presentation, and that will make sure that we know exactly what you're talking about. Any questions that we can't answer today, we can answer them offline afterwards, or you can email support or call support as well, and support can be able to help you out with any questions that you have. And also now you can access past webinar presentations on our website. All of the presentations are there at www.windwardsoftware.com/webinar. So everything in the past webinars are in there. For today's presentation, we're going to be discussing rewards, rules, lists, and promotions, which is a really great topic. And our speaker for today is Abby. Abby is one of the tenured software specialists with Windward Software, and she is with the company as well for almost 4 years now. So let's get started. Take it away, Abby.
All right, thank you, Ivory. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. Thank you for joining our webinar today. On April 6th, we discussed the promotion rules list, and today we will talk about rewards rules list in promotion in System 5. So without further ado, let's get started. In this webinar, we are going to discuss what are the rewards rules list in promotion and how to set them up only. So here are promotion rules list in our rewards rules list in promotion. We have points. This reward rule gives a set number of points. We have percentage points. With this reward rule, the customer receives a number of points based on the selling price of the item. Percentage discount. This reward rule gives a percentage discount for an item. And next we have dollar discount. This reward rule gives a dollar discount on the item line equal to the amount you specify. Next, we have price schedule reward rule. The customer receives a price equal to the price for that price schedule. And then we have also sale price reward rule. The customer gets the given sale price on an item. Next, we have free product. With this reward rule, the customer gets a free product with the purchase of another product. And the last but not the least, points percentage of profit. With this reward rule, the customer receives a number of points based on the percentage of profit for the item. At this moment, I'm going to pull up my demo to show you how to set them up. And of course, to be able to use the promotions feature, we have to enable it first in the setup wizard. So you have to go to menu, setup tools, setup wizard, and that is under invoice setup, and then look for the promotion program. and select Use Promotion Program and close it to save changes or save it. After you enable it in the setup wizard, you're you're now able to use the promotions feature. So we were going to the promotion lists. Okay, so again, we have points. So let's just edit this one to show you my settings. All right, so in here under details tab, this is where you put in your promo code, barcode. This is where you set the promotion date range and make sure that this is or the promotion rule is active. So we have also different filters here. You can only you can select um, selected, or you can only set this up for selected items or by suppliers, inventory items under specific brands, or just specific main categories or subcategories. For this demonstration, I set this up for category 100. And in here, I used price adjustment as my discount method. You can also choose to apply promotion to every invoice. With this option, the system will not recognize the other filters. All right. So with our first reward rule, which is the points, I'm going to use the by amount or by dollar amount promotion rule. So this dollar amount, this is the minimum dollar amount of eligible items that must be purchased to earn the reward. So if a customer spends $150 or more, he gets 10 points. All right. So let's create a sale to show you how this works. And this requires a customer because the system needs to know where to apply the points. All right, so any item under category 100, for example, this one. So this is $299, and in our setup, if the customer spends 150 or more, he gets 10 points. So with that purchase, the customer gets 10 points. All right, let's move on to the next reward rule. And this is the percentage points. So the percentage of value dollar percentage of dollar value is the percentage of dollar value given as points for this promotion. If applied to all invoices, then the reward will be a percentage of the invoice subtotal, or the invoice or the total amount before taxes. All right, so the customer gets um, 10 10% this sorry 10% of the subtotal, and that if my customers will buy any product from 100 or category 105. And let's try that out. So here, subcategory 105. For example, so this is the subtotal. Sorry. So what is the 10% of the subtotal is 55. So the customer gets 55 points. All right. And then let's move on to our next reward rule. All right, so this is the percentage discount. Percentage discount is the percentage of purchase dollar value given as a discount for this promotion. And also in this reward rule, we use the coupon. The maximum coupons is the maximum number of coupons, and max items per coupon is the maximum items per coupon. And these two will only be available or applicable for the only for the coupon promotion rule with without for those rewards that do not include points. And this one, the maximum discount, this is the maximum discount up to which reward will be valid. And this is only available for coupon promotions with rewards rules that include points. So this one doesn't include rewards rule with that doesn't include points. And this is for the reward rule that includes points. And this accepts values from 0 to 100. So in this setup, we have 10% or we have 10 percentage discount if my customer buys any product of category 110. So let's have an example. Just do it again. For example, this one. Okay, now this is the discounted price. So this is the percentage discount, 10% of the list price. All right, and let's move on to the next reward rule, which is the dollar discount. So the dollar discount is the fixed dollar value given as a discount for this promotion. And we're still using the promotion or the coupon promotion rule. So in this setup, if my customer buys any product from category 115, he gets a $5 discount. Now let's have an example. Here, category 115. For example, this part. All right, so the customer buys this product from category 115, so he gets 95 um, dollars as price, or this is a discounted price, which is $5 discount from the list. All right, so that would be the example with our dollar discount reward rule. And let's now proceed to the other, or to the next reward rule. So this is the price schedule reward rule. Um, this the price schedule is the schedule used for the rewarded price for this promotion. So in here, I have set up category um, 120 for this type of promotion, and we're still using the coupon. So I only set one coupon only, and there's no limit for the items to be added or to be sold for the specific invoice or every invoice. Now let's try that out, and that is category 120. For example, if the customer buys three products from this category, and as you can see, so for example here, let's open it up, or like edit the item to show you the price schedule that is being used. So in this setup, we use the price schedule preferred one. So the preferred one price schedule is 5% discount from lists, which is 199, and it is the same. Um, it is the same with the other items from the same category, 120. So as you can see, it's the price is, or each line is discounted or has been discounted, or it is derived from the price schedule preferred one. Okay, let me delete this and let's proceed to the next one. So this is the reward rule, price or sale price. So the discounted price is the fixed dollar value given as a sale price for this promotion. So I set this up for $500. So I only okay, I set this up for category 125, and my category 125 has item with more than 500 um, cost. I mean $500 cost. So if my customers buy any product of that category, the price will only be $500. So let's try that out. For example, it's, oh, it's this the one. Let's add one at a time, sorry. Oh, sorry, it's number of items. Okay, 3 items. So we have to select three. So the maximum items um, should be 3 items. So let's add 2 more. There we go. So in here, we set up, or I set up three number of items for this reward rule. So if the customer buys um, 3 items of that category 125, the price will be only $500 each, as you can see here. So from 529.99, it became $500. That will be sorry, 3 items or more. All right, so let's proceed to the next one. So the free product, and we have here at least the customer buys at least 3 items of category 135. So the customer will get um, one free product. So he can choose either travel size, toothpaste, or toothbrush. Now let's try that out. And I can just put the item. So if he only buys two, there's no free. But if he buys three, then this box will pop up. So let's say travel size, or all right. So the travel size is 3.75, since it is free, because um, this customer buys three tubs of toothpaste, which is the item number one. So the travel size, like he will not pay for the travel size that is a free or reward item for the purchase, um, the toothpaste that he buy, or for the 3 tubs toothpastes that he bought. All right, so let's proceed to the last reward rule, which is the points percentage of profit. So again, this is um, the percentage of the profit amount offered in points back to the customer. So we have here 50 percent, and the percentage of profit dollar is the percentage of profit dollar value given points for this promotion. And I only set this up for this particular item. So if the customer buys this, he will get 50%. That is the percentage of profit. So for example, that would be M. Okay, so let's just open this up. I want to show you the cost of this item. So the cost of this item is 30 and the list price is 60. So the profit is 30. So the profit is 30 and the 50% of that is 15. So the customer gets 15 points of this purchase. So again, that this is or this reward rule is the percentage of the profit of the item that the customer buys or of the item that has been set up for that promotion rule. So 30 is the profit and 50% of that is 15 points. All right. So I guess that would be all for my presentation today. If you have any questions or clarifications, you may drop it down to the question box.
Okay, excellent. Thank you so much, Abby. And yeah, as what Abby mentioned, we're open for any questions that you guys have. You can specifically write that down below the question box for any questions. And also, while waiting for your questions, I'd like to take this opportunity to uh, invite everyone for the next webinar that will be held on May 18th. That webinar is about invoice layers or invoice layering. So you guys, if you're interested, you can also register and join us on that schedule, and that will be the same time, 1 p.m. Pacific time. And yeah, there's gonna be more webinars in the future, but the next one will be on the May 18th. And yeah, so let's see here. We don't have any questions yet, Abby. While waiting for them, probably they're still typing their questions out. But while waiting for them, do you have any other reminders and inputs that you need to share to them?
Oh yeah, sure. Here we have our webinar archives where you can sign up for future webinars, or you can where you view previously recorded events, including this webinar today. Just go to windwardsoftware.com/webinars, and then we have available resources. Um, for the help center, we have all available resources listed here or listed there. You can just go to windwardsoftware.com/help. And for our customer care portal, where you can search our knowledge base, or you can also submit and track support tickets, just go to support.windwardsoftware.com. And if you want to spin up new employees or have listen-based topics, you can go to the Windward Learning Academy. Just go to academy.windwardoncloud.com. And if you're experiencing entire system down, unable to take payment, cannot log into System 5, or recovering from a power outage, you are eligible to submit an emergency ticket. Just go to windwardsoftware.com/emergency. And if you want to get guidance from one of our professional services specialists working with system integrity or accounting rule-based plan, you can contact your account manager for a code, or just go directly to windwardsoftware.com/professional services. Right. I guess that would be all.
All right, thank you so much, Abby. And again, I don't think there's any other questions yet being asked. But if you guys will have any other questions probably after this webinar, you can, as what Abby mentioned, you can create a ticket and track your ticket as well at support.windwardsoftware.com. And again, thank you so much for joining us today, and hopefully we'll see you guys in the next 2 weeks, and have a great evening, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.